Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set your favorite song as your ringtone in your Android mobile. So let's begin. First of all, let's go to settings. In the settings, scroll down to where it says sounds and vibrations. Here you can see the ringtone option selected. If you have two SIMs, you can switch between them from the top. Now select the ringtone and scroll down to where it says add from device storage. Here all the songs will appear which you have downloaded from the internet. Now I will select my favorite song, this one. Once it is selected, just click on done and your ringtone will be changed. Alright guys, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.